I'm going to tell you how to create a Google account. First of all, open your browser. My browser is Microsoft Edge. So double click in this browser. This is called address bar. Type google google.com and then press enter key and then change the language. English is comfortable, so I change this language. It's now Nepali, so I change English. Click in this sign button. If other persons already signed here, you see the name. At that time you should sign out. Now here is not a sign in any person, so click in this sign in button. Then click create account options and then choose for my personal use. If you are making for your children, you should choose this option, or business, you choose this options. In this my case, I'm going to make my personal use account, so I choose this option and type the first name and last name. Last name is optional, it's not necessary, but I type here 2 boxes mind. Last name I write here plus PLUS. So you can give your first name and last name. Then click next option. Yes, you should give your date of birth. Choose the month. I keep here January. Date is 1 and then year 2004. Gender and then click the gender option. I choose here females and then click next option. Google has given here usernames. If you want to use this username, you can choose, or if you want your own username, click here, create your own Gmail address. I write here mind plus PLUS mind plus and then click next. This name is already taken by another person, so you cannot use it. So you have to give a unique name. So I want to, or you can choose it. This name, it's a unique name. I try next name. Mind plus 22. I write here, and then click next. This name also taken by another person. So mind plus info mind plus info 99 and then click next. Then type here strong password 99. Again type here yeah, and then click next. If you see this screen, you must give your telephone number. Without phone number, you cannot make a Google account. If the screen comes skip button, you can skip. Here is not a skip button, so you must give here telephone number. I give you my telephone number here 3951 and then click next. Google sends me a code, then you have to give this number again in this screen. Yeah, code is 177215. And then click next options. Yeah, here is a recovery email address. If you are new user or if you are fresher, you no need to write here. And now I want to skip, so click skip button. It's a mind plus info 99. It's my email. Recovery mobile number is here. You can delete it after complete process. So now I click next button and then accept the Google privacy. Scroll it and go to the bottom of this page and then click I agree button. Yes, my email has been ready, and then to log out your email, click this icons of your name and then click this sign out. Again we are going to log in and send email to other person. So click on login and type your email address and password properly. You can see here it's my email. If you are using another computer, at that time you click this option, use another account. because there is not your history of email information. So click another account. Type your emails and mind plus 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 info 99 @gmail.com, and then click next. Type your password. My password is 99, and then click next. After login, write email to other person, or if you want to read other emails, your emails, go to this Google Apps sign and then go to Gmail. If someone send you email, all that email you get in this inbox, and if you write other persons, that email will be stored in this send options. Sometimes if you're not getting in this inbox, go to more and go to spam folder. If you want to write email to other persons, go to compose options, then type this two box, type the email address of your friends or this office. Now I want to write here gmail.com, and then put comma. If you want to type next email, you can post many persons that emails at the same time, so you can put comma and then press space and then type other emails. Now I don't want to post, just type only one person's emails and then type the subject matter. Subject matter is like a job application. You write here the subject matter, your informations you can submit in this message. It's a message box. And this is Ram from Pukura and blah blah blah. Send your CV or this photo. It's my biodata, and here is my one picture. Send this kind of your files. Click in this attachment. It's next to the send button. Go to your locations of your file and biodata. That's my file, and then open it. Yeah, it's loading. Again, at the next file, click same buttons. Attach file. Go to desktop, and here is my picture, Subin Grung. I want to open this my folders, and then choose these pictures, and then click open. It also start to load. Two file has been uploaded. Click this send options to send this persons. Click just send. The process is sending. You see here sending. Yes, after complete the process you get message sent. If someone sent you email and want to reply, that time not need to compose. At that time just click your open your email, then click reply button. This is the reply button. Just click this reply button, or you can scroll and go to the bottom of your email and you will see this reply button too in the bottom of the emails, and then click reply options and then type message. Just type here thank you. In this way, what do you want to write, and then click send button. In this way we can reply